Greetings, greetings. Happy Sunday, my people. Happy Sunday to everybody. Yeah. I don't tell when I say we are in crucial times. We are in crucial times, and you see me when crucial things are up, I'll be up. Crucial times, and when crucial things you see me, I will come up. Yeah. But before I even want to talk, I will let everybody, this video as it early, tell all those papa them, say they must go team act. If you know one go team act, we go push you all out of the revolution. If you know one go team act, we go push you all out of this revolution. To that go, they address mostly some people where they don't go take money for La Republic. Some people where they don't go take money for La Republic, where they want to play with the destiny of we, the young people, them. And the French mafia where they play. Despite, I don't talk last week about public appearance for Southern Cameroon, but we know go still green. We go keep a clean image for this revolution, but we go shun all the demons the way they don't go collect money for La Republic. Yeah, we get for shun all the demons. Every person, we be very young. We be very, very young, and we no go let Papa they made the 12 way our destiny. We no go. Today I will touch certain points them, so may the audience be you. I will touch certain points them, and the plan for La Republic where it is ahead, and people where they go on with those plans, people where they walk ahead with those plans. But before we want to touch those plans, may we click first share, and as I don't tell every youth, especially those for Watana Wata. As I don't tell those for Watana Wata, we get to keep a good public appearance, but we not go leave Papa them where they don't go take money for destroy the revolution. Either they switch dialogue with the ACT team where don't be ordered by the president and the IG, or no dialogue, go ever hold. All my brothers, the way they go there for bush, I go make audio, smart, I go tell una. Any nonsense thing say dialogue, the destiny of Southern Cameroon are for you, their hand. When I see me as I hold all this Papa then so, when I see me as I the scatter place, now because I know one nonsense will happen, because now we youth, look me as a young. I be person too, I like joke, I like for enjoy, but see me as a young. I don't put myself for this. I don't go leave some Papa, make it she done for some sites. He go take money. Just like how our sister for Biafra called yesterday, say after their own Biafra war, some people they become a billionaire. We don't already know that one, say people already take money. We know. Because since last year, we don't tell now. So we fight against Shell, Total, Perenco, and the others. And forgive person $1 million for this war. Now ABC, I don't tell another one. Forgive person $1 million for the war. Now not nothing for MTN. And I know nothing for Total. I know nothing for Shell. $1 million. I know nothing. But for Huawei for slavery, they go extra mile. So please, may we build the audience. And then yesterday, I don't know whether Divine about they on some answer my voice. My voice no they ever change. I don't tell you that somewhere. I don't tell you, I'm very focused. I'm an activist where I get my plan agenda. I know they do activism for some person in mob for tell me waiting for talk. No. I'm an activist where before I come up, I set my agenda, I know what I'm talking for. I not be a sheep crowd follower. That's why you see, Merciful Truth has never been destroyed. Merciful Truth has never been destroyed because Merciful Truth don't be a platform where I stand, I see things, I talk on. Yeah. So for the past days, you don't see me, I don't talk with people, they don't, because some people they want I'm being a politician. I'm not a politician, I'm an activist. I'm an activist. I'm not a politician. I'm an activist. Some people that want to talk now their gospel. I don't preach the gospel of individuals. I preach the gospel of my ancestors, the spirit where God give me. Now, whether some people they talk sometimes, if I don't get this cap for my head, I know if you talk with that thing. But when I get the cap, if they say this cap, they so my papa them their spirit don't come onto this cap. Because when I wear this cap, something they come special on top me. I don't know. But let's say this cap gets some strong power. So see. If you see me, I talk something. If you see me, I talk something, I talk some place. No say about public appearance. They are not all the people the way I go call their name for you today. I put the way I don't call their name where they don't go collect money for La Republique. They the one work with the Vatican for destroy Swiss dialogue. Now their name they go call her here today. People where they don't go collect money for Swiss, I mean for La Republique. They the one work with the Vatican, the church. Now another slave man for Africa, church. They the one work with church for destroy we. I be the talk last time about our public appearance, and I go advise all our youths as the audience the bill. Maybe we get at least 200 before I start. I go advise all our youths. Our public appearance is very good, but your public appearance should be tied to the interim government. Just like we talk, the interim government and the judicial system, they get to bring we rules of engagement. Every Southern Cameroon, you get to know your rule of engagement in this revolution. So we as a youth, if you are here, you have to support. I don't tell you before, say me, I will stay for this government. I go stand, I go call Shambe, I go stand for day. Now the government way, now me I fight for Bilam. Okay, let me appreciate these people where they give money before we go forward. 1 minute. May I appreciate these people. Yesterday where I be finished calm, I don't know whether my man, yeah, if there's any distraction, you talk, I block, I don't waste time. Yesterday, I be go offline before I go for Watana Wata. Please divine a boat, you put the payment details for Watana Wata. Mama Annabelle, after our beautiful Amber Queen, Mama Ono give $100. Mama Annabelle can give $25 where we don't go off. $25. Mama Annabelle give $25. And then Mama Odilia, it can give $20. So now the people in this way they be give money before we go off. Yeah, Mama Odilia give 20, Mama Annabelle. Now, Southern Cameroonians, I will just go deep into the matter. I be don't tell una before say they no fit La Republique, you no fit green for make the same mistake where they make our Barrister Gbobala for make our Sisiku. Now, whether our public appearance as youths, especially those of Watana Wata, we get to be very focused at this time. To my best of my knowledge, the coming of the Vatican Secretary of State for Ambazonia was a very big political visit organized by France. The coming of the Vatican. But we go trash all these people them way we go keep the image of this revolution clean. Just like I be telling now how France struggle for use the blood for Guzan, for make sure say they destroy this revolution and for tarnish our image of this nation. We, the youths of Southern Cameroon and those of Watana Wata, we get for stand up for make sure say we clean the space of this revolution while we call out these demons. If this papa them when they don't born their picking them, they don't reach age for be retirement people. If they no one go back, go join ACT, or if they no one before they made they leave the revolution. First of all, I be don't talk last year, say could not go fit come out where La Republique not destroy this revolution. I be don't tell now. And I be don't tell now say, for this revolution, no person, when a general don't go for jail, the general they lose his power to become a leader. But La Republique, the one change that topic. La Republique, the one make a way, as a secude for jail, make the arrange an internal dialogue with you. Please click share. I want this audience to be. This message I did do now because we get ACT. And it don't come to my best of my knowledge. Say the Swiss people, they don't even know about anything we get to do with the visit of the cardinal or whoever. And they don't know any arrangement where they go down. The French government is struggle with La Republique for bypass the Swiss dialogue. Now, it don't come for me say Sese could be released. Just like how Barrister Gbobala be released. It already come from my knowledge. So they go release it anytime from now. So that the struggle always for topple and for distract we. I be don't tell and I say plenty leaders the day for you they work with La Republique. Yeah. And the block parkway, Dr. Kwanga and Ayabacho they get, where they want to destroy the destiny of Southern Cameroon youths them for benefit them. It not go work for the revolution. The blood pact where Dr. Kwanga and Ayabacho, they don't sign. Where Dr. Kwanga, you know, if he talk true, and Ayabacho, he did it for destroy this revolution because they work with La Republic, for tarnish the image, for give benefit for La Republic. We, the youth for Ambazonia, we go clean the revolution, and all of them, we go put them back. The Bible says, no matter what they talk about, this is a collaboration, we know some of us will be bad seed. No matter we come on here and we talk about collaboration, make people come together, we know very well, me, Prince, and also want to be bad seed. But we get for give a good image. And a high time where we, the youths, we get for know how to treat with una. Because una this want to be very big demon. Very big demon. We Saudi Cameroonians use them today with the struggle for clean image. Image where na Ayabacho don't do them for Guzang. Where Saudi Cameroonians and today the image for this revolution, the dirty way French they use them. Some man go say Guzang massacre go fi say na Pikin for inside Amazonia all fighters the way they fight among themselves. But no go no say Guzang massacre na Ayabacho AGC. He want he go do am. That massacre today so don't be that a block where France they use them for destroy our revolution. That massacre. And we are not end for that massacre. We are still there for tarnish the revolution for see and say make we not get a good dialogue. If not be dialogue, oh, una own dialogue, the one never talk. It never ever come to reality. Oh, una dialogue, ayaba. All AGC. We don't tell oh, una same una go for una counties and LGA. Or you humble yourself. You go follow the rules and regulation for Team Act. That's why we call on the interim government judiciary system for set out rules of engagement. For set out rules of engagement in that. We see all the philosophy and all the chess game where La Republique they try for play, for switch away from the Swiss negotiation where all the international bodies, all the government bodies for the world, they support them. Yeah. All them, we see all the games the way they play. We see all the games the way them they play for Dodgem. But now this is it. Let me tell you all. Let me tell you. Whether La Republique, he release a seku today, or he release everybody from jail, the war no go stop. It is the right of La Republique for release all of them, because they no be La Republique citizens. Just like how they release Sekti Mama, just like how they release Sekti sister, it is the solemn right of La Republique for release every Southern Cameroonian from jail. But they not go temper with the restoration of our statehood. Now, we don't already know, say, they don't already give money for plenty people. We don't already know. From the actions of Dr. Kwanga and the actions of Ayabacho, always undermining the unity and collaboration of this revolution, we don't already know. With his working with the the Cameroonian colonel, we already know that. And I want to say this to Ambazonians. That's why when I see for this revolution, we must be very smart. And that's why you see Prince Jeka, as an activist, I not must be political. I must make sure, say, I guide myself. You see, let me block this. Let me start blocking some people. I don't care about views, I will block. Yeah, I will block, I will block. If you come here, please, why you're clicking share? If you come here, you talk nonsense, I block. If you talk nonsense here about 39 people or whatever, I block. I'm not here for distraction. You see me, I'm young like you, my face is outside. If you talk trash here, I block you. Because we know, say nobody was killed in Bui. Who's are the picking and the way they say they be killing from Bui? They know that today. We never discover their grave. If you come here, you bring destructive comments, I take you off. I'm not here for care about 1,000 comments. This platform don't bring down great people. Where they be the one mess up. The grave, you don't ever see some grave for some picking where they bury them from Bui. You never hear that fake story where La Republique work with ADF for key charger. We are cleaning the image when some of we Southern Cameroonians we do. We clean the image where Ayabacho and the others they don't go do. And I wait today, the church the one be involved in politics for run away from the Swiss for the interest of France. We don't already see everything. And it will like they release Seseku. Seseku, whether I come up for jail, can never be a president. Whether Seseku come up for jail, we have one president and a Samuel Sako. Despite how I talk to that government, I am a pillar of that government. Yes. And whatever I talk is because I want things where public appearance will be pure. But whether Seseku go moon, he can't down. Whether I come up for jail, he can never be the president of Southern Cameroon. Just like how Barrister Bobala do am, na so Seseku go do am. Just like how Barrister Bobala, Carl Ivo, I will block you. That name self, you get you man picking the get woman picture. Those are distractors. The same thing will happen for Barrister Bobala, now go happen for Seseku. Whether La Republic go moon, whether I turn for Swiss, he want try for Ben, for get internal mediation. The same thing will happen for Barrister Bobala. Any man where he come out for jail, he no go ever rule we. Seseku never come out, but he can't come out. Mono Abu, my Amber Queen. Seseku never come out, but he don't already be on the pipeline. He don't already be on the pipeline for movie. Because if he say, they feel using now for distract the revolution, but I want tell La Republic made they know. Say, even they move Seseku for jail, he no go ever rule Ambazonian. And before he come out, may just announce and say he's not the president. Because we have a president, he has been impeached. This revolution, this people want pure appearance for people for share say we are all one. Everybody, there must be discipline in this revolution. There must be discipline. Papa, they not go toil with the destiny of we, the young people. They cannot. So, tell all those in jail, I don't know if you like Seseku. May you buy better shoe, you buy sardine, you give bread. When you come off outside, his old story. Yeah, his old story in this revolution. The same thing will be happen with Barrister Bobala is the same thing. Someone say 85% behind Seseku. I take you off. The youth and the people of Southern Cameroon, Watana Wata, we stand with those who are free. President Samuel Ikome Sako is the president of this revolution. And La Republic no go play no mago for make sure say they dodge that side. They no go play. If there's any negotiations where they get to do with the Swiss. Now, may La Republic no say we know all their games the way they play. We know all their games. And they repeat the same tactics all the time. The same tactics. We already know say they go always want to use the same tactics for Barrister Bobala, but this time up with another way for Move Seseku. We don't know that. But now, I don't tell them say this interim government where we don't build, not be people na the blood of Amazonia. Seseku, a family and a woman. We never hear Sunday they come out do one demonstration. So them as individuals, we the people 8 million, 9 million of Southern Cameroon, we distance ourselves from them. We distance ourselves from anything where La Republic has to do with Seseku and those in jail. Because someone in jail cannot determine his freedom. He cannot bargain for his freedom. Whatever the La Republic terrorist government will negotiate with them, ends with them. Not the 8 million people of Southern Cameroon. And no son and daughter fighting in the bushes will drop their weapons down. Never. Not today, not tomorrow, not next year. So anything La Republic is arranging or negotiating with those in jail is dead upon arrival. Neither the interim government, the county, the LGS, or Team Act, or the youths of Watana Wata movement will accept any negotiation with a prisoner. No. We have free, educated, and well-structured, landed mindset people who can negotiate for the destiny of Southern Cameroon. We have historians who know the history of our nation and the other Team Act. If La Republic wants to have any negotiations with anybody, they should go and meet Team Act in Switzerland. If they try to negotiate anything with Seseku behind bars, it's dead upon arrival. It did not work with Bala. It did not work with Dr. Fontaine. It will not work with Seseku or whoever. We already know how many people they have collected money. The same bishop that visited Eric Tato It's the same bishop which the Vatican has gone and give what of pallium. Politics and church is not part of Southern Cameroon. We love God, but we never allow church to play politics over our destiny. It will never happen. So whether bishop of whatever, or Bishop Kia or what, the doctrine or the politics the church want to play with the destiny of the children of Southern Cameroon for the interest of France through the Vatican, it is dead upon arrival. There is one thing in life. One is to give a man a gun. The next is to take the gun. The youth of Southern Cameroon have picked up guns to defend their integrity and that of their nation. Whether you go and follow a dirty path to arrive at your own conclusion, no, we will not drop our guns. We will not. Watana wata, altina wata. The economic sabotage will intensify. It will intensify. It will triple. For every blood and every soul which has been killed in Southern Cameroon, the people of Southern Cameroon and the youth will fight for that blood until we have our statehood restored. We will never be killed like chickens for you to go around the corner to negotiate with some few corrupted-minded people. So whatever you guys are doing with Seseku, hear this. Today, tomorrow, it will never work, including anyone in jail. It will never work. Seseku is a normal Southern Cameroon person. So I want to bring that out. The next thing I will talk about is Bo Herbert. Bo Herbert. Despite I appreciate Papa them, me I don't tell them, say no Papa, no crash my back. If I appreciate you, Papa, you know respect with the youths, especially that of the Watana Wata movement. No say I will take away your respect. I will talk for Bo Herbert. I always respect Bo Herbert. I'd always respect Bo Herbert. So I will talk for Bo Herbert now. Because he passed through for this revolution. It almost did different without of Ayaba Chodem. Despite of recent Bo Herbert, it don't change. But I still get a pass. I go remember about a pass. I not go talk much for you. I go remember about a pass. When I give me 1 minute, may I put cash up. May I put my cash app and PayPal for a Classico so that those the way they on, and I don't forget $5 for Watana Wata for popcorn. We continue the popcorn. Good. I want to talk small for Bo Herbert because I still remember the history. Now, for Bo Herbert, of recent, I don't praise Bo Herbert. I don't applaud, especially when I call for Secretary Chris show. When I call for Secretary Chris show, I don't applaud Pa Bo Herbert for his wisdom on analyzing things. But I want me to say if you don't do errors then way if you don't jeopardize unity for Southern Cameroon. And we as the youth of Southern Cameroon, our eyes are still fresh on those errors. Yes. When you decide for do good, not always change the good to bad. We as the youth of Southern Cameroon, despite our respect, and I always call and I say, Bo Herbert, your analytical skills, your political, I don't still forget that. I don't talk say, any man we don't work for CRTV, we get for put I. Any man we don't work for CRTV, we get to put I. Any man. I don't talk for yourself. If you are here, you want to comment constructively. If you comment negatively, I will take you off. If you are on this platform for Prince Jeka, me, I need to take nonsense. If you talk dirty here, you not be constructive, I take you off. It's not a must, you must watch this. My platform is a platform for patriots. And only the patriots should like and follow my page. If you come to this platform, you don't talk constructively, I take you out. Yes. Me, I not the follow people. I the follow na the revolution. Bo Herbert, we still have your memory still fresh. Despite you have been on a good lane, we want to remember you. The incident with Tapang dollars, the $500, which when you collected from Tapang in the days of consortium, you went home and you asked for your $500 to be sent back. We remembered. We remember in the days of the governing council, when they were proposed for you to become the spokesman the communication officer of the governing council under Seseku. We remembered you went in, you worked for 2 weeks, and you tender your resignation because of more risk, not the people of Southern Cameroon. We remember, it's still fresh. We still have it in our archives. So we want to still tell you that we have Team Act. The mistakes that have been happening, we will not accept those mistakes in Team Act because we, the youth of Southern Cameroon, we want this war to get finished quick. The mistakes that you have done for your past job you have been doing, we have been observing it and we have been appreciating you. But don't think we have forgotten that. We have not yet forgotten what happened in the past. We have not. We have not forgotten what happened in the past. So if you think that we have forgotten that, no, watch your steps, Pabo. Watch your steps. We have one government. We have one team of negotiators. That's Team Act. And we have our IG. We have our county. And those are the institutions. We call on every Southern Cameroonian who wants to be used by La Republic to fall back. Because the image most of you have painted on this revolution is terrible, which today we young ones are struggling to clean. For example, the massacre which Ayabacho did in Guzang has been an image, a blood, which La Republic has used to paint this revolution internationally. And will not accept it again. We have good institutions which you can go in and manage, put in your leadership skills and all the education you have done. Go to your counties. Or if you're a leader, join Team Act. The dirty image most of you have given to this revolution is enough. So, Pabo, I've heard your audio and I've heard everything. At a certain point, despite we say Abdul Karim should have been in that place, but based on analytics, it's very, very clear that he did not even brief Team Act. He did not brief Team Act. Not all the members of the Act knew. The interim government did not know. So when you want to do something at once and you don't inform other people, it's terrible. People, it's like me, Watana Wata. I want to go into the Amber World Draft and I go and give money and I don't tell those of the Watana Wata team. It's very bad. Yeah. Even though I was saying his move towards there was good, I was thinking the Team Act knew because when they came on ABC and he said they briefed Team Act, Bo Abed said yes. But based on my findings, Team Act did not know, neither did the president know that Abdul Karim had to go there. And that's pure wrong. Me, I don't like one-man show. I like show when you want to do something, we do it as a people. Even in our small Watana Wata, which is a youth movement of this revolution, when we want to do things, I don't do it alone. I call my brothers and we have to sign money, we sign as a group. Then how come you guys will be in a movement, you'll be together in Team Act? Then you want to make such move. President Sako doesn't know, other members of Team Act doesn't know. Then even when you come back, it's only Bo Abed that knows about the briefing. So people have the right to start thinking twice, Abdul Karim. Yeah. People have the right to think twice. It's after when Bien and I realized that it's only Bo Abed that knew. President Sako did not know. The others did not know. That's wrong. That means you can carry people and take to the altar and go and sell them. Maybe you did not go there to sell people, but the actions was purely bad. People have the right to think. People have the right to think. When you give people the opportunity to think negative, they will. Because if you had to go there and appear and save us, you already knew that you had to be there. You already knew you had to be there, Abdul. You had to maybe call the interim government and call the others. And then on such cases, you never even tell them. Then you come out, you call President Sako. That President Sako should bring collaboration. To me, that was insane. Because he did not know you were going there. I don't know, maybe Bo Abed knew. That's why in this revolution, you guys have to be careful because the people's eyes are open. The people's eyes are open. You did not inform President Sako. You did not inform Team Act. You went there. You came back on ABC. We only hear from Bo Abed that you were there. And then after, we hear on post you saying President Sako and the others to call for collaboration. When we are hearing that Seseko has to be released, my brother, if you add the 1 + 1, the 2 + 2, it's not making sense. Yeah. I was talking based on collaboration because I saw all of you on that TV. And I know Pafru is not part of Team Act because Barrister Fru Johnson is not a leader. I know it's not part of Team ACT, but maybe they have put him there. I don't know. But when I saw Bo Habet confirmed, I knew everybody in Team ACT it got the message. But it's just shockingly to get it that it's only Bo Habet that knew. The others did not know. So it's wrong. In this revolution, we want to paint a good image. Now, when you call President Sako outside and say, oh, President Sako should bring collaboration, that's pure. How will he bring collaboration? When even though we say we should not call people's name, we have never been able, you as a person, you have never called Ayabacho, you have never called the other. You have never called the others their name. So how do you expect that? That name calling is not a problem. We don't want that in public. We have asked if there's anything you guys have to do, do it right. Do it right. Go and do it in Team ACT. For all those who are still roaming around in groups, go to your county. For the name calling, I don't want to say, but I just told you all what you have done, Abdul. If you went there as a one-man show, it's purely wrong. Without Team ACT knowing, it's purely wrong. And Bo Habet, for what you said, please know our eyes are still on you. We have been respecting you, Papa, because at this time you have been doing good. Just keep on doing the good. Now, Dr. Kwanga and Ayabacho, they are the one people in this revolution which I don't know. Only them two, they know what they have done behind. I want to touch these fathers because the game of La Republique is so much around them. And they are the ones which many of them have taken money. Dr. Kwanga said you saw somebody emptying the embassy. And from the day you have been visiting Ghana, your attitude towards this revolution has changed, Dr. Kwanga. From the day you have been visiting Ghana, which were arrested in Ghana, and which the late President J. Rawlings released you, your attitude towards this revolution is dangling. And I want to say tell you all this. Your time, una time, it don't pass. I talk for pidgin. Una time, it don't pass. Now time for we. If some of una papa una mess up, una no go like what we youths go do for una. If una the fight for the revolution, una the fight na for we. If you have to go out to defend Ambazonia, is for us. But we realize and say some of una be very greedy. Most of una don't go collect una money, una cash it down very quiet for back. Very quiet. Very, very quiet. For benefit with una family. Just like how that Biafran girl talked for yesterday, Adama. Just like how she said it. She said after the war, there are many people who are going to be rich. Many people. She said that. How do some of you feel when you want to do one-man show? How? Look, Ambazonian. Una they always struggle for playing bad image. Now, because of una way countries, they know the one get involved because when they paint dirty image, say we are divided, whereas we are not divided. When they go out paint dirty image of Amazonia, say we are divided, whereas we are not divided. Let me ask you, how do you feel when children are dying? Now, which kind of money will you go enjoy when you go finish? You go chop, you go carry the money, go grave. Or now which kind of money? Now, we carry AGC, we carry the group, then go grave. We don't reach in a position where we don't get a government. We don't get Team ACT, we don't get our counties and LGA. Una only there for distract the revolution may not finish. So that make una they get una own benefit them for back. Una know they check about the picking the way they die. Una time they don't pass. And make una papa una be careful. We watch the game where La Republique they play because international pressure they very high on La Republique. We are watching the game La Republique is playing with some compromised Southern Cameroonians, especially fathers, the way they don't born Pekin, they expect grand Pekin them. We watch the game very closely. And this revolution, it not go be like Biafra revolution. It will not go be like Biafra revolution where someone go take money. If she done for back the way my revolution finish, make it go chop him. Now lie, you not go chop him, you go die with that money le Judas. You go die with that money le Judas. I tell you now, if you like, you watch this video, you tell them. You go die with that money. I tell you, any papa where you go collect, we don't collect money where I know. Where it destroy this revolution, the paint image for this revolution for outside. Me, I know the respect, Papa, the way they know the respect between them, eh? Now, when some people they come move audio, they talk because me, I tell you for una face direct. If you be mommy, be Papa, you know the one respect Pekin for would you respect elders the way they respect themselves? Now the culture that way they teach me. If you be Papa, we know the respect Pekin, you know the fight for the destiny of Pekin. Would he tell you hoha? Would he tell you for your front? Would he lose you respect 1 million times? You know the ways. Would he lose you respect 1 million? And I saw him for that Amba peace plan. I tell them, I'm very young. My image, my life, it don't be dirty. I not go no place. I no go stand and watch some papa take my life. You know, they never born that papa. They never born you. Just like how we finish with La Republic, they will go finish with you. Openly, we not hide them. We go finish with you. All una so, we get una name them with the year una the mix with La Republic. For go collect money. If you take money for we are destiny, where we don't put we are face, papa even to this level calm down. You no go ever visit Africa. Because we go follow you to your last generation. Make some of you understand no so. We go follow with you now on our last generation. We not there forever play. No person no go die. Make tomorrow, you can't stand on top some person in blood. You go take money for La Republic, the wait may revolution finish, you go enjoy with your family. You no go waka, no be Biafra, the one in Southern Cameroon. If you not like, I tell all una for una face. If you like, you go join Team Act. Or you go if you not join them, may we wait. More we say una be big people, then una will go take money, una pass for back. But I don't tell una gun no dena for una hand. Gun, you know dena for una hand. Gun dena for youths like then we so. The year na we now I don't want to see for this water with the race money. Gun not then for una hand. If gun be then for be a hand, this war for don't end. Gun then for the youths their hand. And any of una papa wanna go play. Hey, I swear to God, I no go like him. Because they picking the way they fight for ground, will they defend their image. I tell all una so wanna they for front wanna they do this nonsense. Akwanga, Ayabacho, and even Bo Herbert. Even though you never misbehave, I tell you too. Even Abdul Karim, if you know say your life they in danger, take your back out of Cameroon, Abdul Karim, you waka. If you know your life is in danger, Abdul, find a way. Tell the Swiss people where they do negotiation. You pack your bags, you leave and come to Europe. If you know your life is in danger, if you know say that they hold you for neck, they not tie you for Cameroon. They not tie you. Now, pa bo have that. Even though me and you would get our own quarrel them for back. Now in that don't tie for America. Because they don't hold you to for finish them. So if you not say you there for Cameroon, Abdul, your head no they clean, they push you for do something where you not say you no go favor we. Pack your back. Pack your back, Abdul. Pack your back. Find the nearest place come out. Ambazonians, we not poor. We are not poor. We go find you money, buy you flight. You go for any place. Pack your back if you not say you not be comfortable for Cameroon, Abdul. Because when person start do one man show, there is a question mark where your brother they don't know. And where the SSS could get for be released. And where the international government they find way for run away from Swiss, when are you be one of the ambassadors of Swiss? How you go for place where not only Bo Habet, they can't talk what if it's not true. Then we'll just be confused. President Sako come on make audio. Now the international world go see, let's say we don't be divided. We will not be divided now because say you want, you not talk. You not tell people that say you go this place. You just go do one. So it doesn't work like that. You've even pinched some 2 people, 3 people. President Sako is very secretive. He's very secretive. He don't be as an activist in this revolution. He don't keep plenty secret. If you pinch it for back, tell him say President Sako, now something is you should don't quiet. You pinch another man. But how come now only one person know? One person, and they see the post for outside, say they call for collaboration. Where Team Act no know. How is it that? My brother, make on and a pack fine. Make everybody pack fine. We're talking about we are destiny here. We are talking about our destiny as youths. Most of us don't marry. We will never marry. Just look at me. Look Eriko Akaba. Look Paul Nilong. Usai family day. Look all the others. We not go let una make una do this. So this is very clear. If you not say you not the Cameroon, you not be safe. Abdul, pack your bag. Take your bag, take the next flight. Fly from Cameroon, go different side. Can't she don't for this side a parbo habit. You know the problem. Diplomacy. Now for we for playing good image. Good image. Now I be talking yesterday, say Ambazonia, time don't come okay for playing good image about a revolution. Because the blood for Guzan where Ayabacho go kill him. Now we French people and I dirty colonel for La Republic. Now they use her for playing this revolution, say we are divided. We don't rise this government up to the level for sure the international government say we are not divided. We are united under our counties, under our LGAs, under one government and under one negotiation team. That's the people of Southern Cameroon. We are united under one government, counties and LGA, and one negotiation team. This is the gospel where all we youths, all people of Southern Cameroon get to the preach. We are united as a people under one government, under one county and LGA and under one negotiation team. So any other thing where they want go do with any other person, it is a duty for every Southern Cameroon citizen, son and daughter, mother, father, whoever, to stand and say no. We must stand as with one voice, just like how we disgrace La Republique for Victoria. Now the same way we get to stand with one voice for saying no to any individual smart game where La Republique the one use. We must speak as one people. The 9 million Amazonian Southern Cameroonians must speak like one people with one voice. We must not let any individual Maradona game or one game playing behind, like the one where I see Karim Bass, the one do with some people for America, is dead upon arrival. And this one I will take me go to my interim government. Now because of this kind of thing, the way you hear me I talk say, may the fire Bishop John. Yes. Now because of this thing, when I hear me I talk say, make the fire Bishop John. Because all these single individuals that they get small rifle, they talk. Now because of say we never start get instruments the way that they bring that building. Let they go not say all this nonsense what they do with Seseku and the others them. If you don't, you know, even they go up. Now the kind of thing is because a Secretary of Defense by now those people get RPGs on the ground. And they call everybody for support Eriko Akaba, a project for RPG. Now the main thing in this is so because when we talk now as the interim government, the firepower get to be high. But where is the firepower? Now, counties and LGAs the struggle. Where is the firepower? These are the things where we talk. And I go see tell them. That's why Bishop John needs to go. They go tell me, say whether now, that's why he needs to go. There is no firepower. Now, let counties, they do their firepower themselves. There is no firepower. At least one. Be small for day for ground. One. It's not giving no good image. Because the firepower, if it be there, if the firepower be there, this nonsense way that the struggle for do with Seseku them and the others for run away switch dialogue, it will be not dead upon arrival. If buildings that be fall for down, things that be fall for down, all those things that will be not dead upon arrival. But why you see them they do this? Because if you say we get only gun, we get only a popcorn, then they know they see not the way they fly for air. These are the things, and I pray made the interim government really. I thank God because for the last meeting they don't straighten up things while they attend them. Kudos to the Vice President and to the Secretary of Home Affairs. Yes, the Dr. Anderson. Kudos, Dr. Anderson. Kudos. Since where you come enter for the Amber Peace Plan, think they don't the bush, they don't the go for 4-1. Take kudos, one loaf. Secretary Anderson, one loaf. That's it. May the interim government to steam up. We're not there now for romance. We're not going to sleep. People go to negotiate with Seseku for back. We cannot do that. We cannot do the romance na romance. Some people don't. We're not the romance now. We're there now war. I don't say people don't move audio. Oh prince. Because I the struggle for do things. The same as I the struggle, my image today for the interim government. So we need instruments. Not before say we can't preach politics. We not go romance with Tuna. We cannot romance with Tuna. So this is it, Southern Cameroonians, my fellow youths of Watana Wata. Now the point that way we did now. So why we go in, support the government, make sure say we push them to action, because if we not push our government to action, when I don't see the smart game where they play now, if we are brother for Kondengi, they nobody tell we true, we not gonna see the smuggle Seseku for outside. If we are brother them for Kondengi, they nobody tell we true, we know for no. If ears are not be there for Kondengi, we not for no. But as God be greater than anybody for this revolution, now we will not say that the smoke, just like how it be happen for Barrister Bobalai time. Now so we will only get the same information now. Say one can come out, then they do arrangement here. Now whether the Vatican come, it only talking about reconciliation, peace. Which reconciliation and peace where Pekin they don't die, house they not there for them for sleep? Which reconciliation and peace? Which? Where people don't go collect money. Every time they talking about Southwest, nothing about Southern Cameroon anymore. Envelopes they don't pass so back. For blood for picking them. I don't see what happen for Victoria. That sign where happen for Victoria, not be sign where go teach anybody lesson say money for this well. Any meresiman, you know, big past the blood of picking them that. Una see that sign for Victoria. 4 goals. Some of una they look and listen empty thing. 4 goals for a country where we know say they used to play football. They give them 4. You see as their foot, they not feel worker. It let's say even my picking the way they play intercartier. for Bota FC. We go beat that squad. My squad go beat that squad for Morocco. Perfect. My squad for here. We beat them perfect. You see, picking their food, they tie for ground, they don't feel run. You know, tell you, say, picking the way they don't die, they don't appear for that field, they don't hold them. Even the goalkeeper, when you see him, body come up for a hand, goalkeeper where you know for whole ball. You not teach you a lesson, then you don't go take blood money. You feel say you go chop him. He go hook you so. He go hook you. He go hook you so you go die. He go hook you so you go die. I'm telling you. So better make all una. All those that they don't collect money, una better go she done. Either you start check her for back you can't enter back, repent. Now Tina we don't talk am. This part will call for open collaboration, but there is no collaboration without repentance. You must repent. All una get for repent. Repent. Especially those that when they don't go behind, they don't cause the death of plenty picking the Willa Republic. Una don't see the case for Nambere. Una see, I be telling that will be the Nigeria, I hear the talk where before Ofoka Eugene go visit, I be telling. I tell you, say me, I did like he. Anything you want to make tell me. But you know, yeah, today, see play where he did. See play where he did. He hands and he foot, the all thing don't be tied. You know if you do nothing. See Yannick court. See the rest. We know say very well, yes, plenty things that they go wrong for even inside this interim government. It's normal. Even me, if I not be being a man picking, I will not run. Only audio the way I don't hear. Only audio the way I don't hear from my me the way they don't move and for my hate. Only for this few time why they talk about public appearance, for purify all this dirty thing the way Ayabacho they don't do, and then for talk about this interim government. Only talk the way I don't hear from mommy them for these days. If I don't be then picking, I will talk say all my distance, even money for Watana way. I know the dinner for my keeping Nambambe at the work. I don't hear kind audio them for we are mommy. But you see me, I get my focus. Even insult, I don't get kind. Yesterday, na barista Fru coach me. He coach me, coach way. Papa never get for coach picking. Na barista Fru yesterday coach me. But I respond to it like a papa. I tell say thank you. If now only insult way me, I don't receive. I for don't run. Only inside these 3 days, if I tell when I coach the way they don't coach me for WhatsApp, La Republic never coach me those coaches. That insulted. If I tell when I insult where people them, I don't give my life, I don't give my all, I defend this interim. If I tell you insult the way mommy them, I come for this online arrest money, I give them for this interim government, support county and LGA. If I show one on my phone, I did me here, again I want Pekin. I not even get time for spend with my Pekin because of revolution. But if I show na insult way, mommy the way they don't born picking them because of say I the struggle for purify. If I show na insult the way mommy they talk send for me, you go pack. I go pack my bag today. I just love this thing. I go. But now because of say I don't make a vow to God, and I thank every person who coach me. Now and so it always be. I know the follow na people. I thank all now any mommy where don't make audio. Just like I thank Barista Fru yesterday. I no go ever insult my papa. I no go be Eric Tato. I no go be Mark Barata. I no go ever cause she. If you work for Ambazonia, I thank you. But as I don't see talk, we need to paint the image of our nation to be very attractive. Because these people, the way this Ayabacho them, they don't paint dirty image. If we continue for the let them they paint those images by attacking people outside, you know, they good. We go come on rebuke them and we will get for talk. We go come on rebuke them, inform the world, so we'll be united. We get one government, one county, one LGA, one negotiation team. We go always say that. For make sure say everybody fall under that organization. So that under that organization will be a united people who will go fight for this revolution. We go always do that. But when we point wrongs for straightening the government, I be talk some parable yesterday. I talk say any house where it start get whole and the person will get that house, you know, the check for look whether the house don't spoil. One day that person go wake up and say, wind way pass for night with rain, it don't carry that house away. The interim government are our house. We must always take time for look around that house, whether the house don't get whole, for make sure so we patch that hole and we make the house strong. But most of una, when person open mouth talk, the way una the attack person, you go here kind coach, kind this. But that not the straightening, not the shaking me, eh? I go always be focused. So I don't touch the 3 points then. The 3 points they want get for touch. So to my fellow people of Watana Wata, Mona not forget the cash app there for down there. The Cash App and the PayPal, a day for down day. So $5 will continue with our popcorn. $5. I had to I ain't Nambere. Chamber Nambere get for cry. Now so it happen. Money where they be the give for interim government, no they see them again. I want to ask this small say, wait, who's the key for the moto? who's the key for the moto day? Where it be the show say they don't give Prado. No that's the key for moto. Or then they don't be na Zerubabe. Nambere, his face, he don't start white like Montoliwe, rain, beat them for night. Nambere, no, the white, like Montoliwe, rain, beat it for night. They never see no nothing. I never seen a kawa yanik. I be don't tell them say, may they not make and they start use them for taste bullet. I don't tell them say, may they not make and may they start use them for taste bullet. Because if they continue so, La Republic go use them for taste bullet. Just like how that colonel be one lock number, say, je vais t'enfermer, eh? They never hear fermer you. What you believe in Amazonia, who be fi fermer you? No man no be fi fermer you. You be in a general. They be give you chop, they be give you water, they be give you everything. They will give you everything for Amazonia. So they will promise a woman, so they go make it store. Today, you don't go for La Republic. So you want show, say, they don't tell you, say they go fame you. We never see 5 phone, oh my mama, oh no. We never see 5 phone, oh. We never see car key. We never see AC room. We never see no nothing. No nothing. We see na suffer. They never hear suffer. That one they for DDR. I don't hear say they want to send them for Ndop Rice. May they go work Mbambe for Ndop Rice. It's very good. Let them go and work. When a man no one choose for fight for people, you end up being a slave. Now why they want to see with the fight for this war? When you no one choose for fight for your people, you end up being a slave. So may they go Ndop Rice. May they carry all them from Bosta Institute. May they take them go Ndop Rice. When they work for Ndop Rice 1, 2, 3 days, they go find where they run for bush like cutting grass. Go back, go carry stick, fight. May they carry all them go Ndop Rice. When they go Ndop Rice, they go match that rice so 1, 2, 3 times. Then when they not see military, they go vanish so like cutting grass, enter bush. Me told their brother say, I beg, una give we stick, one fight back. We are not stupid. French, no fit give you nothing good. Nothing good. All man, all even those that they not stand, they don't see at all. French, no fit give you nothing good. The only thing we fit come out good, now for you for stand for independence for Southern Cameroon. I'm telling you. Now, only for the Frenchman can never give you anything good. Nothing good. Look all the fee them for inside Francophone Cameroon. Then you look the fee for Victoria. You go not say they are evil. I don't tell you now. Look all the stadium for inside the whole French Cameroon. All. Then go look the fee where they make them for Limbe. Then you go not say that people don't mean you well. Now say some of them, I believe say now their eye they don't open. Now eye they don't open because when we used to tell when I used to look and say we are stupid. Frenchman cannot give you nothing. If you don't start long, they don't know say Sunday go be like this. We'll go wake up carry gun. They don't know. They don't know say they don't. If you say Frenchman no no, the way they be make the rules, they be no say they go be the worst one. Now when we are papa then like Pam Olanjo. They start wake up for start question. They be already start tell them say, una not bring no better thing for that side. If una try una go low sense, una build everything for una side because that people, their eyes they go shine one day. Now whether you see they carry all that cement depot, all that thing for Victoria, they send them back for La Republic. Even we are brothers, the way they want to do business. When they go for go register a business, they tell them they go do one for Douala. Plenty. So you go, she don't follow. I don't tell now. There are many things you can fight in this revolution. If you don't want to fight for independence, fight for better road, fight for deep sea port for Victoria, fight for plenty things. Then they way una as a youth una get to fight. Una they only go crying when una hear sad story. Oh, rest in peace. But you don't know there are many things. Even for Watana Wata, you can be a restoration fighter when you don't enter bush. You can be a restoration fighter where you not enter bush. See as they go find nest for inside and say be restoration fighter. That's it. We must build restoration fighters, them nurses, doctors. The 9 million citizens of Southern Cameroon must become restoration fighters. In any field of life where you study, you can be a restoration fighter. In any field of life, that is where the revolution is taking us to. In every field of life where you find yourself, be it a doctor, a carpenter, a bricklayer, a welder, in every field, a lawyer, in every field of life where you dey, you can be a fighter for this revolution where you not carry gun. You can use, you know what I say, the most educated people for life, now the innovative people. Education, you feel use them for do plenty things. Education. You any field for life where you dey, the highest thief man for life, now man we go school. The highest thief man, the highest bandit for life, thief. Now man we go school. Look all America film, they will not see them. So this revolution, if you are a youth, we need you. If you are whatever, we need you. You know must carry gun. Your role, if you play, if you be, now man will be Magida Kokok. Now you give you Ambazonia independence. You just need to take one better nail, you put her under beer issue, so you not so pa beer die. Everybody be important. Everybody. You feel me na Magida? As I be talking, Kokok where the worker fix na shoe. And now you get for put the one nail under beer issue, maybe a finish for sign Southern Cameroon independence. Nothing is too small now. So, watana wata, all my brothers and sisters, as I don't tell una, I go be focused for this revolution. When una see me, I take some turn, no say I the one straighten up things. When you see me Prince, I bend, no say I want straighten up the tea where they happen for back. No ever doubt me. I be don't tell una last year, I be don't tell una the year before, I don't see tell una this year, and I go tell you una next 2 years. Every year, when I want ever do something where una can't doubt me, I dey ever come out tell una again. So I say, don't doubt me. I'm not a kind of person. Me, I be a person with my A na A. Una don't see am even for the watana wata money and the things that they do. My A na A. If I tell you say I did do something, no say I did do am. And I don't tell una say I will never be. So not ever she don't Sunday worry your mind. If you see me, I bend. No say some bad fashion day, something that they cover them for back, where I want straighten am. Now, so I be do for Fako. I be tell una. Most of them be she don't they say nothing happen for Fako. I mean for Victoria. Nothing happen for Victoria. No, but I don't see them. Nation Cup don't pass. But I don't yet in them again. But thing they go start when we want to start. Thing they go happen for Victoria. Since when Nation Cup don't go away last match pass. When I hear something again. Thing they go start for Victoria when we want start. And I want to thank all we are able female activists and we are mama the way they be involved for the revolution. Even those the way they coach me, where they be still my mama. I want to tell una say una be focused. I thank una for una job because una be strong woman. I thank una for una judge for una a job way because una be very very strong women them. This part what una talk, yeah, I una pikin, una get right for talk. Most of una love me, even though una don't know as I sleep, una don't know as I wake up, una don't know as I chop. But I also una love me. If mama no call you, that means say he not like you. So I thank una for everything. Southern Cameroonians will be focused. Una not forget. $5 for Watana Wata contribution. Drop them for day. We need popcorn. As of yesterday and today, we don't get $145. $145 as of yesterday and today. Mama Ono, he give 100, Hannibal 25, and Mama Odilia 20. So we don't get $145 for our boys and from yesterday. So every person at the cash up that for down. May we do small air classical. May we do small air classical. First man for give money for 20 soldiers. May we do small air classical. First person for give 20 money for 20 soldiers. First 20, man and woman. Yeah, man and woman. May we see first person for give 20 now, not now about $100. Most first people will give 20 or 30. Chop money for soldiers them. Then we will go off. And as you go off, share the message. Share the message. Tell your brother and say we get an image to keep out. We only get for hit on distractors. No attack your brother outside. I beg you. No attack. We get an image to keep. May the say Ambazonia go in a better land. May we not attack yourself outside. I beg you now. Except any person wanna say the one be compromised. Or somebody when a leader or some person, but not over attack your brother. You get proof, I beg. We get an image to keep. We get an image to keep. $5. $5. Don't forget to like and follow this page. Now this page I go to use. Like and follow this page. Like and follow this page. Thank you very much, every Saudi Cameroonian. I go leave una now. Maybe we'll go do the El Clasico next time when I come. May I go get some rest. God bless all una don't watch this video. And please punch the love sign for yourself. Stay focused, strengthen one another. Don't distract one another. At the big owner. Especially everybody for Watana Wata. If you want to become part of Watana Wata, if you contact Pony Long, if you contact me. My number na +45 71 520476. That's my phone number. I'm talk again. My phone number na +45 71 520476. If you get any information where you want to send them for me, any information, just use that number. If you get any information where you want to send or something that happen for your community where you want to send them for me, just use this number. +45 71 520476. Mostly WhatsApp, not direct calls. WhatsApp. Send me a message or a voice note via WhatsApp. I go get them. Thank you very much and have a happy Sunday.